Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix nobody can see my profile photo on WhatsApp in Android phone. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix nobody can see my profile photo on WhatsApp, go to your WhatsApp. Click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Go to settings. Now go to privacy. And here look, you will find an option profile photo, and now nobody is selected. That's why nobody can see my profile photo on WhatsApp. Now I am going to fix this issue. Go to profile photo. And now here who can see my profile photo and nobody is selected, just select everyone. Now everyone will see my profile photo on WhatsApp in Android phone. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.